Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch to Google Gemini from Google Assistant. So if you want to switch to Google Gemini on your Android, instead of using Google Assistant, so that each time you say, hey Google will stop working, and then you have access to the new Google AI called the Google Gemini. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to switch from Google Assistant to Google Gemini, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Google app on your Android phone, or better still, just search for Google and then open the Google application. Now, once you open the Google application, make sure your Android phone is connected to the internet and click on the profile icon at the top right. Then scroll down the page, locate and click on settings. Once you select the settings, you see Google Assistant. Then under Google Assistant, locate and click on Gemini. Then hang on for the Google Gemini to open. And now you should see switch to Gemini from Google Assistant. Then come down here and tap switch. Switch to Gemini to create custom image, write email, post, and more. Make learning easy. Set up alarm, timer, and reminder. So this makes controlling your phone with your voice easier compared to using Google Assistant. So go ahead and click on switch and then review key info to access Gemini. So scroll down, locate and click on use Gemini. And then you should see your public link, Gemini voice, interrupt live response, and then that is it. Then you can now come also here to use Gemini on lock screen. So if this is disabled, just go ahead and turn on that and then you're good to go. And then that is it. Hey Google. You can see when I say hey Google, it's now asking Google Gemini. So that's basically how to switch from Google Assistant to Google Gemini. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.